The following video is based on real events. However, the guilt or innocence of individuals depicted is determined by the legal process and should not be assumed based on their portrayal in this video. The following security camera video has been edited for time from the original. This is a story of alleged check fraud perpetrated on a small local cell phone store located in Manchester, New Hampshire. The first day, April 4th, 2022, Mitchell seen here entering the store, walking up to the counter to pick out 4 iPhones. The owner, Sean Currier, seen here behind the counter, moves to assist Mitchell. Candace Mitchell wrote 3 separate checks on 3 consecutive days for the purchase of 9 iPhones, totaling $5,425. At the time of this security camera video, Cellular Freedom Incorporated was located in Manchester, New Hampshire. They have since moved to Hooksett, New Hampshire. The owner, Sean Currier, originally would not take any checks. Candace stated that her wallet and phone was stolen. She stated that she had her tax return money in the checking account she was writing the checks from. Currier does not usually accept checks, but Mitchell and her family have been doing business with Cellular Freedom for over a decade. Currier, the owner, knows her family well, and none of them have done anything unethical to his company prior to these events. Mitchell left the store that day with 4 iPhones totaling $2,575. Day 2, Mitchell returns and views the cabinet of phones once again. She wrote another check in the amount of $600. Mitchell purchases and leaves with an iPhone 11 Pro. On the 3rd day, Mitchell returns, seen here entering for her final purchases. All 3 of the checks bounced for a total of $5,425. Not a small sum for an owner-operated business. A police report was generated by the owner with the Manchester, New Hampshire Police Department. All the evidence was handed over to them, and Detective Lamy took this case over a year ago from the date of this video's release. Currier has not been contacted by the police regarding this incident in the last 6 months. Manchester, New Hampshire Police Report case number is 22-8653. Mitchell left the store that 3rd day with another $2,250 worth of iPhones.